Little Panda's town is waiting for your protection. Let's start today's patrol. Oh no! My backpack was stolen! Can you help me catch the thief? No problem. Leave it to me. Go, go, go! Ah, you found my purse! Thank you so much! You're welcome! It's my duty! Officer Kiki, mission accomplished! Tap to equip the magical item! Whoa, what happened? I got separated from my dad in the park. Whoa, don't worry. Let's find your dad together. You found Wowo's dad! You're awesome!
Stop at a red light, go at a green light. I'm running low on gas. Please fill up my fuel tank.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
BabyBus, go!
Just hid in the supermarket. Can you help me find the criminal? Do you know what the bad guy looks like? He was wearing a green vest, brown pants, and a blue scarf around his neck. Okay, first, let's piece the bad guy's portrait together. Now find out where the bad guy is. Awesome, thank you. You're welcome. The barrier can only be lifted after completing the puzzle. Calm down, Miss Bear. What's the issue here?
The parking lot is so disorganized. I can't drive my car out.
Don't worry, I'll fix it. Drive the car to drive it out of the parking lot. Woohoo! All the cars were driven out! Little Panda's town is successfully protected.